猪肉三明治，
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Universal's Animal Actors. Right now, I'd like to introduce one of Hollywood's top animal trainers from Birds and Animals Unlimited. Please welcome, with a big round of applause, Miss Charlotte Wertler.
Thank you, Omar. Thank you, folks, and welcome to Universal's Animal Actors. Like Omar said, my name is Charlotte, and this is my friend Juice. And we both work for a company called Birds and Animals Unlimited, a company that's been training animals for movies and television for over 40 years. Now, something that most people don't know is that many of their favorite animal stars actually started out as rescues, and just like Juice, they began their training right here on this stage in front of a live audience. Now, a little bit later in the show, we are going to reveal exactly what Juice had to learn in order to get her big break. But until then, little monster, why don't you go ahead and make a big wait for it. Juice, get back out here. She's like, I know what comes next. But until then, little monster, why don't you go ahead and make a big exit. Off you go. Off you go. Now we'll show you what our animal stars can do by starting out with one you'll recognize from the film Ace Ventura Pet Detective. This is Sparky. Hey, buddy. I'm gonna need some help. I need an adult volunteer. Someone sitting in one of the two middle sections about halfway up, not afraid to work with a bird. Gentlemen, here you have a blue stripe on your shirt. Stand up for me. Stay right where you are. Take out a $1 bill, please. Now, the reason I've asked him to take out $1 is because Sparky doesn't know him, and he may feel uncomfortable flying to somebody that he doesn't know. So what we do here is we train our birds to recognize and fly to common objects. In this case, it happens to be $1. That's perfect. Fold that in half. Again, one more time. Place it between two fingers. Put your arms straight out to the side and stay very still. Sparky will see the $1 and know exactly where to fly. Excellent job, Sparky. He's gonna pause for a photo or two while he's up there. Very handsome, buddy. Nice work. I love this bird.